Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2015 Mercedes-Benz E350 4MATIC. This one's black. Underneath the hood's a 3.5 V6 with 302 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one does come with the sports package with a sports exterior and interior appearance, 18-inch split 5-spoke AMG wheels, black MB text interior with a burl walnut wood trim, sunroof, rear spoiler, E350 4MATIC badging, power liftgate with a clean set of all-season floor mats, comfort box for extra storage, premium 1 package with Harman Kardon sound system, memory seats, power windows, steering wheel controls, paddle shifters for extra performance, keyless go package with a push start ignition, navigation, rear view backup camera, hard keys for the media display, heated seats, rear shade, dual climate controls, turn wheel for the infotainment center. This E-Class has 105,324 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this E350, visit us at feldmanimports.com.